Something interesting is happening in the business world today. Everyone is talking about AI in meetings, in strategic reports, in the slides of large corporations. AI is everywhere. But if you look closer, you'll see a huge gap between talking about AI and actually using AI. Many organizations are stuck at the first step. They buy AI tools, they hold workshops, they try a few demos, but then everything goes back to how it was before. Processes are still slow. Decisions are still based on intuition, and data is still fragmented. The question is AI really changing how businesses operate? Or is it just creating a nicer technological shell? The real issue, not AI, but how we use eyewear misunderstanding AI in a crucial way. AI isn't a new feature. AI isn't a showpiece. AI is a way to make decisions faster, more accurately, and with less waste. But in reality, in many businesses, purchase decisions still take 60 to 90 days. Squid processes still require multi-tiered approvals. Data still has to be manually aggregated from multiple departments, and humans remain the biggest bottleneck. Meanwhile, what can AI do? AI can analyze thousands of suppliers and minutes, predict optimal costs, detect contract risks, and suggest the best solution based on real-world data. But the problem isn't the technology. The problem is how businesses apply it. Real-world example. Procurement from 90 days down to 9 days. Let's talk about a very specific area. Procurement, purchasing and managing suppliers. Previously, a typical procurement process would look like this. Requesting department creates proposal, finance checks, budget TU or procurement finds, supplier manual, quote. Comparison, multiple rounds of negotiation, multiple levels of approval, and finally, contract signing. Total time, approximately 60 to 90 days, sometimes even longer. But what happens when AI is applied correctly? The AI system analyzes needs from the outset automatically, suggests a list of suitable suppliers, compares prices based on real-time market data, predicts risks for each supplier, suggests the most cost-effective and high-quality solution, and most importantly, reduces decision-making time to approximately 9 days. Not because humans work faster, but because fewer unnecessary steps, less emotional debate, and more valuable data for decision-making. This is a fundamental change, not just doing the same work faster, but rebuilding the entire decision-making process. Psi LMPH bin AICH law buzzword. Common misconception. AI is just a buzzword. The key takeaway is, many businesses are talking about AI as a marketing keyword. They say, we're using AI, we have an AI-driven platform. We're undergoing digital transformation with AI, but in reality, AI is just a customer support chatboter. It's a nicer reporting dashboard, or a very small layer of automation that's not transformation, that's just technological embellishment. What's the problem? The problem is they're forcing AI to adapt to old processes when they should be doing the opposite. Changing processes so AI can deliver real value. AI isn't effective when you just add it to the old system. AI is only effective when you change how you collect data, change how you make decisions, change how you measure effectiveness, the right mindset. AI is a decision accelerator. Let's get back to the basics. Businesses don't exist to use AI. Businesses exist to make better decisions faster than competitors. Create greater value. AI is just a tool to achieve that. If we look at AI from this perspective, things will change. Instead of asking, are we using AI yet? Ask, which decisions in the business are being slowed down by a lack of AI? Which steps in the process are relying on intuition instead of data? How much money are we losing because of a 30-day delay in decisions? Because sometimes the problem isn't a lack of technology, it's a lack of the right mindset to apply technology. IT Select and the white glove AI approach in that context. There is another approach, not mass AI, not experimental AI, but rather AI applied selectively with measurable results. For example, in procurement, AI is not used for decoration but to reduce procurement time, reduce operating costs, and reduce errors in supplier selection. This is the white glove approach. No fanfare, no ostentation, but focused on results. And the key difference is AI doesn't stand alone. AI is integrated into actual business decisions. That's when AI starts creating real value. AI Essen Chin Thing Trong Kwok UAAI Trong V NMT ISC Hi Un HM Dungiop. Who will win the AI race? In the next few years, there will be two groups of businesses. Group 1 talks a lot about AI, tries many AI tools but doesn't change its operations. Group 2 doesn't talk too much but uses AI to improve every important decision measures. Effectiveness clearly and continuously optimized, and the truth is, the winning group isn't the loudest, but the group that applies AI in the right places, at AI first, but decision first with AI. Key message: if there's one thing to remember today, it's this: AI won't replace humans in business, but AI will change the way humans make decisions, and the businesses that understand this earliest will save time, reduce costs, and move much faster than their competitors. Not because they use AI more, but because they use AI better. Remember, follow me to learn more about the meaning of AI.